You'll see that off the shoulder of the Italians looking for the through ball. You'll see that it's all still Rodrigo, the ball across the box, and Radiance misses! The open goal, Sandro Ramirez corner, picking on Delayos. Cross looking for Kylian Mbappe, Bacillus and to strike. We go again with a Christian
from the home support here. Absolutely fantastic atmosphere.
Playing everybody else right. Moleo again.
Jude Bellingham. The rest on the outside is cross Sandro into the near post. As the move continue. That's jumping, but Jude Bellingham. Rodrigo. Looking to number Banchos. Let's see this corner for Las Palmas. Which is backed away by Silverson. Fran Garcia. Muñoz.
Well, is there with
Theo. Brahim Diaz with a shot. Ball towards the far post. Yes, cross. Brahim.
Back in the Liverpool hands.
Nowhere to go. Muñoz on the left. Bellingham. On the after. Still Kylian Mbappe. Back in. The corner. It was a difficult attempt from the Brazilian. Full pass for Fran Garcia. Curling on toward Fran Garcia, right. He slits, getting himself in the right position. Wide towards Philip, then Kylian Mbappe again, and it brushes the post. This time, no chance for Jasper Silverson into the top corner. And this is the player that they signed, this is the player that the fans were waiting to see, and he's finally arrived on the big stage. Kylian Mbappe makes it 3-1.
That's a very difficult finish, very difficult. Now we're going to see him play the top corner after attack. Whoa, whatever. No, that's very difficult contact with the ball. The ball comes very quickly, bounces around.
There's on his line, Rodrigo back to Kylian Mbappe. It's 4-1 Real Madrid. Mbappe with the hat-trick, and it's starting to work. And it's feeling how many goals are we going to concede this afternoon at the Santiago Bernabeu? Vinicius and his friends smiling and laughing in the stands, as his teammates are on the field. Saying, but it's offside or not. Brahim Diaz puts the ball into an empty net. Lucas Vázquez with the assist. Brahim Diaz saying sorry for the goal that he missed. But he's put Real Madrid into the lead here at the Santiago Bernabeu.
Well, started by Asensio and then continued by Kylian Mbappe. We see Manu Sanchez on the floor. Bruno complaining. This is fantastic. Asensio, then it's
Rodrigo, Kylian Mbappe.
Today's game.
In the second half of last season,
anyway, so
Bulls turn half again. And he skipped past Jasper Silverson, but he could have put the ball into the back of the net. He's having problems with so many meters in behind his back.
when Real Madrid attacking, but
Brahim, Lucas, Rodrigo,
having Muñoz playing as a right wing back.
here is Fran Garcia, and he passes it into the back of the net. Real Madrid 4, Las Palmas 1. Fran Garcia with the assist. Kylian Mbappe involved again in the build-up. Not for the first time today, Xavi. Real Madrid almost passed the ball into the box and into the goal with far too much ease.
Yeah, it's been pretty easy. All the movements and the passes around they have done in the last there after the 10 minutes of the game. But they do well. It's one of the strengths of Real Madrid when they get to the last third and really.
There, not aim for Jude Bellingham. Yeah, people above them paying into the box. Headed by Rudiger, Jude Bellingham. Getting to those, it's, shots from Bellingham making the run.
Wow.
Lots of balls there, he's going to claim Mbappe, Rodrigo, Delayos.
Like a random strikers, and then the pass was
Just adapting well. We're going to play the 1-2. Rodrigo.
good 50 minutes.
Rush towards Antonio Rudiger, and Jude is looking for that goal all afternoon long, and he is the outstretched left boot, the roof of the net, 5-1 Real Madrid.
Well, I think just playing like a technical better because it wasn't a situation where they could finish himself also, it's still replay. Well, it's still better.
ازاي شايفين الكبده جوسي ازاي، حته البطاطس طعمها جامد جدا، مقرمشه من بره وطريه جدا من جوه. اكله سهله وبسيطه، ممكن بربع كبده نلم الدور في الغلا اللي احنا فيه مع طبق مكرونه اختي او رز بالشعريه او لقمه ناشفه اختي، وعدي يومك وبالف هنا وشفا. انجو عليك اختي، ما تدوس لايك اختي، صلي على النبي اختي. النهارده هنلم الدور ونعمل اكله جميله جدا وسهله وسريعه، وفي الفلوس مفيش. هنعمل طاجن كبد بالبطاطس، بس ايه موضوع. يلا بينا. وبعد اختي ما قطعنا البطاطس بالشكل ده مكعبات وقطعيها بالشكل اللي يعجبك، هنعمل الوصفه بتاعتنا في طاسه واحده. اول حاجه نبشر تومتين فريش، اديها تبشر لي تومتين فريش بنفس الطريقه، ملح، سنه كزبره، سنه كمون، فلفل اسمر، وخد التكه دي عشان الاكله تروح في حته تانيه، هريزه شطه. نقلب كل الكلام ده ببعضه كده قبل ما ينزل على زيت سخن. وفي زيت سخن جدا شوحنا الكبده بتاعتنا تاخد تشويحه وطلعناها، رمينا مكانها بصل متقطع جوليان بنفس الطريقه مع قرنين فلفل حامين، وده اختياري مش اجباري، اللي بيحب الحامي يحط الحامي عادي. ويا ريت الطاسه ما تبقاش مليانه زيت، فيها لمعه زيت بس. بعد كده نرمي البطاطس المكعبات او على حسب ما تقطعيها اختي زي ما انت عايزه، تقلبتين 3 البطاطس تنزل ميتها، تبتدي تحطي عليها كوبايتين ميه مغليه من الكتل زي ما حضرتك شايفه، تضيفي عليهم الكبده اللي احنا شوحناها في الزيت وتديها تقليبه وتسيبيهم حوالي مش اقل من 5 دقايق يتجانسوا مع بعض، والميه تتقل شويه وتتشرب. وفي طاجن او صينيه نحط الكبده بتاعتنا، واهم حاجه البهاريز دي، شويه الميه دول قصه الحكايه. ولو حسيت ان الميه قليله ضيفي ليها ربع كوبايه من الميه، وزي ما هي كده اختي في الفرن لمده ربع ساعه ودقيقتين على الشوايه وشكرا وبس خلاص. مش محتاج مني اي كلام. شايفين الطاجن عامل ازاي، شايفين البطاطس محرمشه ازاي، شايفين الكبد، واهم حاجه البهاريز دي، شويه الميه دول قصه الحكايه. ولو حسيت ان الميه قليله ضيفي ليها ربع كوبايه من الميه، وزي ما هي كده اختي في الفرن لمده ربع ساعه ودقيقتين على الشوايه وشكرا وبس خلاص. مش محتاج مني اي كلام. شايفين الطاجن عامل ازاي، شايفين البطاطس محرمشه ازاي، شايفين الكبده جوسي ازاي، حته البطاطس طعمها جامد جدا، مقرمشه من بره وطريه جدا من جوه. اكله سهله وبسيطه، ممكن بربع كبده نلم الدور في الغلا اللي احنا فيه مع طبق مكرونه اختي او رز بالشعريه او لقمه ناشفه اختي، وعدي يومك وبالف هنا وشفا. انجو عليك اختي، ما تدوس لايك اختي.